So I'm taking one box here. So today we are discussing about the glide user. So this is a client and server. Text. Add text. Client. Server. So here mm, so here I'm taking one user. So we can let me take it another box here. So here the let's take it. It may be a form. So it may be email. So any data source. It may be a third party tool. So it may be a record and virtual agent. So who is the client? So client is nothing but a form. When whenever we are the client, whenever the user has entered the data in on the form, uh, so that whenever we submit the data on the form, it gets stored into the server. So it's a client. Client is what we are seeing. This is the form. So just we entered the data right on the form. On the client form, just we are entering the data. So whenever we submit the data is entering into the server. The data is storing into the server. So it's a client side and server side. So there may be scripting also will be there. So the user may gets the data from any data source like form or email or any third party tool. It may be record or it may be virtual agent. So from different places, the end user or glide user submit the data on the form, the data is stored into the server. So it's a relationship between client and server. Okay. And so next one, what is the difference between the here in ServiceNow we have a client side scripting and server side scripting. Here we have client side scripting and server side scripting also will be there. Or let me client side scripting and server side scripting. Client side scripting and server side scripting. So as we discussed, right, UA policies, data policies. So these all. So which is coming from the client side scripting and server side scripting, like glide user. So glide user is the let me take a new form. The client side scripting, server side scripting. So client side scripting is the glide. So glide user, glide from, glide Ajax, and UI policies. UI policies. Data policies. Sorry. Yeah, I'm sharing again. Just a minute. Yeah. You have seen previous one also you didn't see. I draw the picture. Have you seen that one? Hello. I have drawn picture also. Have you seen that one? Previous, right? Okay. So just so you can note down this one also. So client side, these are the client side and server side scripting. Client side, glide user, glide form, glide Ajax, a few functions also there. Just I will UI policies, data policies, UI pages. So these are all comes into client side. So in interview, I'll will ask what is difference between the client side and server side scripting APIs. These are all APIs, application programming interfaces. So the server side scripting, glide record, business rules, glide record, and business rules. So these are the few topics. Glide record, business rule is topics, separate topic. So like that we have glide date and time, glide duration, glide schedule, schedule jobs, and so flow designers, script actions, and UA actions. Many things are there. So the server side scripting. Okay. So let's see today client side scripting, glide user. Okay. So we are going to see glide user now. I'm sharing screen. So glide user. So you can see here. So glide user. See, it's nothing but a G underscore user. So client, this is I told right. This is a client side scripting. Glide user G underscore user. So it's nothing but a glide user is a API provides methods and non-method properties for finding the information about the currently logged in user and their roles. So suppose who is logged in the right now in our system logged in as a sysadmin, right? What is the his role and what is the currently logged in user information? So the glide user is nothing but it provides a complete information about the currently logged in user and his responsibilities. So like you can see here the glide user API properties like first name, full name, last name, and user ID and username. So these are the details currently logged in particular user details we are providing here. So here nothing but it's a G underscore user is a global user. So global user. So here dot after we can find it is a first name. First name is the nothing but a method or property name. So this is the property name. So you can see here he has given so G underscore user dot first name. So G underscore is a global username and it holds the value like a sys ID system ID. So the first name is a property name. So the output will be first name is system and last name is administrator. Like that, just I will show the practical, just so you can understand the meanwhile. So G underscore user dot user ID is property contains the sys ID, nothing but sys ID. So we can see few functions like has role exactly. This all we can see right now. The practical, okay. So you can see I hope you are able to see my screen, right? So this is a just a incident, incident task, demo incident task, okay. Let me comes to tables. You can see table name, we can find table name here, start demo. So just I'm taking demo incident is the table name. Let's go here, form, show form. So yeah, this is the name, right? So this is a form, incident form, right? See, you can see here. So caller name is my name, Haribabu G. Okay, caller name. So what is a glide user? So glide user gives the complete details of the currently logged in username and his responsibilities. See, his responsibilities. You can see here. So first name is Haribabu and last name is G. And you can see here the phone number and title is system administrator and email ID is this one. Okay. So here, if you want to copy the sys ID, we can see we can copy from sys ID here. Sys ID, you can copy sys ID. Just we can find out a number of ways by using the sys ID. So this is one of the way we can find out the sys ID. Copy sys ID. You can remember this point. This is system ID. So every user is having one value property value. That's a system ID. You can find out system ID here. So you can see here first name is Hari and last name is G and system ID. So just uh, So currently logged in. This is the system currently logged in. Who logged in? System administrator is the currently logged in, and you can find out the role, what he has role exactly. So let's see. For this one, so configure and client scripts. So let me move into another session, another tab here. I'm taking duplicate tab. I'm taking duplicate tab here. So you can see. I'm going to here. You can see client scripts. Okay. Client scripts. So here I am taking glide user. So here four types are there. So client scripts are four types. We can discuss it later. On cell edit, on change, on load, on submit. Just I am taking on load here right now. So we can discuss these 4 points later in the next topic. Okay. Just I am taking on load. Whenever on load means whenever we load the form, we will get the output. So whenever we load the form, it's going to be changed. So just I am taking here, just I'm removing this one. Function. So I'm writing one alert here, alert. Just see here. I'm saving this one. See, whenever we refresh the here, you will get the data here. See this one. See, you got alert, right? So let me change it here. Just I have changed it. I am updating here. So this is a client script. We are using type onload, and just I'm refreshing this page. So you can see here, I'm Haribabu, passion on ServiceNow. Okay. Just we got alert. This is alert. So whenever you are submitting the data, just we are getting the alert here. Okay. Just this is the output we got. So next, so I want to submit the first name. So just G underscore user is a global user, right? So just I want to submit one alert on this one. Okay. G underscore user dot first name. Just I am submitting this one. Okay. I'm refreshing this here. Yeah. This is the first alert and second alert. So who is the I showed that first name as a Hari Babu. So we got this alert, right? Yeah. So like that. So I want to display last name. I want to display the full name, and I want to display the user ID, and I want to display the full name. See. So I want to display more alerts. See, you can see here. So I want to display the first name. I want to display the currently logged in last name, currently logged in user last name. I want to display full name and as well as the user ID and username. Just you can see here, I'm saving this one. Just I want to get alert. I'm refreshing this page. So you can see here, this is the first alert and first name and last name and full name, and this is the ID. This is the ID. Okay. So this is the admin. What we have given here. This is the user ID is the ID we got, and username. Currently logged in username is, you can find out here. Username is admin. Profile. You can see here. Admin is the username. Okay. So we have admin user role, right? So that one. So like this, we are using these functions, and so we have another function has role. Let me type it here. Alert. Just G underscore user dot. Here you can find out has role. Has role. So we can find out. I showed you, right, the system ID. We can find out here. Currently logged in system ID. So this is a profile, right? So system ID. I'm copying system ID here. I'm submitting here. This is system ID I have given here. I'm closing this one. So another alert. I'm taking this alert function and I'm using G dot. So G underscore user dot has role exactly. So I will tell the difference exactly. Has role exactly. So has role means it checks any currently logged in user or admin apart from the currently logged in user, and it will check extra admin if anyone logged in like a admin. So has role exactly means it checks only logged in user. not the admin. It won't check any admin. Okay, just I'm saving this one. I'm saving. So just I'm refreshing here the page. See, this alert, first name, last name, and full name, and this is system ID, and this is a username admin, and true. Just it got a true. So has role it has a admin has logged in, right? So it got a true. It checks the currently logged in user, any other user, and as well as the admin. So it checks only exactly. It checks only currently logged in user. Not it won't check the any admin. If admin is logged in, it gives a false. You can see here false. It gives false because it checks only. It won't bother about the admin role. It bother only current logged in user. So currently we have logged in as admin, right? So it gives a false. So that's all. You can understand, right? Any questions from here? Just we got to display the alert. And I will show, let me log in as another user. So currently we have logged in as a system administrator, right? So let me log in as a impersonate user. Okay. Then let's see how it goes. I'm logging another user like a able tutor. I'm logging as impersonate user. Okay. So see, you can see here, currently logged in user able tutor, and his profile. You can see his profile. So you can see we got the output right here. Able tutor full name, and able tutor ID, and able tutor admin. Yeah, it checks the user, right? It becomes true, and it's false. He's not admin, right? So you can see here, first name is able, last name is tutor, and title is able tutor. It's a full name, able tutor full name. So you can see, you can find out the here sysID, this one. So this one, we got output, right? So currently, those who are currently logged in the user will get the complete information and his responsibility, as well as he has an admin role also. User able tutor has an admin role. So for that, it gives a false here. So first name, last name, and what is his roles, and full name and system ID, we got it. So currently, if anyone log in, we will get the complete information. See, you can see able tutor is the currently able tutor, full name, system ID, able tutor, and a true. He is having a currently, and as well as a system administrator, right? See, admin role. He is having admin role. It becomes true. So it checks the normal user. So we didn't find. So it gives the false. So those who are logged in the current, it gives the complete information. So I'm ending user and impersonate. See now, right now, I'm normal user, system administrator, my name. Okay. See now, I got my information. Haribabu, first name, last name, and full name, and system ID, and admin. So my username is admin, and true. I have admin role. So I don't have normal. So right now you can see here I have system administrator, right? So do you have any questions right now? Have you understand?
Yes.
So this is the code. So we can see it's a four types. Glide users are four. Client scripts are four types. One is on cell edit, on change, on load, on submit. Okay. So just we will discuss about the later. So this is the alert. Just alerts only we have displayed. Okay. So later we can see for further like glide as we have many functions are there. This is client side. Client scripts we are using right now. It's a glide user is a client side. Okay. And you can see here. You can see here. We can discuss it, right? So glide user, it's a global user. This is client side scripting. So you can see how glide user API provides methods and non-method properties of finding information about the currently logged in user and his roles. So that's what we found out, right? Like first name, last name, full name, and user ID and username, all details we got, right? The currently logged in information and his role. So G underscore user, we have seen, right? This one, method and property name. So G underscore user dot first name. So this is what we have given, right? The first name. So the output it has displayed like this. Alert. In the alert box we have used, right? So this is a has role function, has role exactly function. So has role will check the additionally apart from the currently logged in and as well as admin role. It checks admin role. But has role exactly it will checks only one. Exactly means only one. It checks currently logged in user only. It won't be checks any. It won't be bothered about any admin role. So that's what the current user. Yeah, that's all for today.